Welcome to a world of tempting technology, weird history, and the risk of serious injury. Gather round, welcome girls, guys, and theys for the card game of the century. Whether you have the brilliant mind of Nikola Tesla, the brilliant brilliance of Marie Curie, or just the brilliant hair of Albert Einstein, what lets you play inventor or investor to pitch that one invention that will change the world, or at least modify it slightly. It's not rocket science. So, come celebrate the dreamers, the tinkerers, the triers, the sort of problem solvers. You can grant them patents, register their concepts, but the only thing you can't do is buy them, mainly because most of them never made it into production. But you've got to admire them for giving it their best shot. Because the ones who believe they can change the world are usually the ones who make it much more fun. What the What is a playful, hilarious tribute to the inventor, hustler, and problem solver in all of us. Now, gather with your people to play, ponder, and pitch. What the What is that?